Welcome to another video. In this video, I will help you decide which topic to pick for your online course. If you're watching this video, you're probably somebody who's motivated, ambitious, you have a lot of great ideas, you have lots of experience, and most likely you have multiple ideas for your online course. And I see this happen all the time. Actually, I have so many ideas that I want to create courses. It's crazy. I always make notes, but then it's really hard to decide which topic do you pick to pursue and move forward and create an online course, because it's a big decision. So what I would say, number one, first pick top 3 that you relate the most personally. So pick 3 topics that if you have like 5, pick first 3 topics that you kind of get, fired up, because if you don't care, nobody else cares. First, you have to care. You have to love what you do, what you teach. I love this stuff, and I hope you see that through my videos and through my energy. So you have to pick topics that you enjoy. Then once you pick a topic, top 3, go out and do some research. Where can you do research? Number 1, Facebook. Use your friends, post that, hey guys, I'm really looking to create another course or a new course, and I'm really passionate about these 3 topics. Which topic would intrigue you? Now, that's a good place to start. You might learn more and get some good feedback. Number 2, this is gold mine. What you want to do is you want to go to YouTube and Amazon. On YouTube, go on YouTube and see, are people really searching, watching these kind of videos? If you find a video, somebody created a video for free, and you see there's a lot of views, a lot of comments, a lot of engagement, it's a gold mine. You're onto something. And don't feel bad. You might say, well, if this guy is offering this video for free, why would they buy my course? Well, they're gonna buy your course because it's not gonna be random videos spread out all over the place. You're gonna create a system around that topic and step-by-step process instead of random videos spread out around YouTube. But if there's attraction, you're onto something good. Also go on Amazon and see some of the best sellers. See the books similar on your topics and see which topic is the hottest right now, because you wanna do 2 things. Number 1, you have to be passionate about what you're gonna teach. And number 2, the need needs to be there, right? Because if there's a need and you're not passionate, people are gonna feel it. But if you are passionate about something and nobody cares, what's the point creating a course? So those 2 need to come together, and that's the magic. It's the marriage. These 2 things come together and voila, you have an amazing online course. So again, let's recap really quick. So you're gonna create 3 steps, 3 topics that you are passionate about. If you only have 2, you pick 2. So 3 places to do research. Number 1, you go on Facebook, you post, to your friends and family and ask for feedback, what would they be interested about. And it's also a great way to start getting some engagement from people, from your friends and family, because often those will be your first customers to support you. And number 2, go on YouTube, watch for videos related to your topics and see which topics are the hottest, which topics people ask most questions in the comment section. And then number 3, go on Amazon.com. That's a gold mine, and look for books that have been created around your topics, and then look at what people say, the good things people say about, and look at what people complain about in negative reviews, and then see, okay, I think I can do better. I think I can provide more value in my online course, because books only can do so much. Often with books, there's a lot of fluff in it, and actually the teaching is a very little part of it. That's why I like online courses where you can teach step-by-step process. You can actually see, you can engage, you can put worksheets, you can put MP3s, so you can provide more value, and also, of course, you can charge more. So go ahead, do this exercise. I'm very confident you can find your topic, and of course, as always, we are here for you. So click the link below or whatever the link is, schedule your free consultation call, and we would love to jump on a call and talk to you, which course topic would be the best for you, and hopefully, we get the opportunity to serve you and help you create your very own online course. Again, I'm Ryder Stalish with Thrive Course Studio. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you very soon.